Hi, and welcome to the fabulous Smoky Statdium. We are here with the Emmett Machinists and the Knoxville Holstons. They're going to be playing an exhibition little game before the Smokies game, and then we're going to watch the game, and then there'll be fireworks. So come along with us.
Down Home Diner owner Jack McDavid on why he banks local with East River Bank.
Down Home Diner was started in 1987, the world's greatest farmers market, the radio terminal market, utilizing farm fresh food. Growing up down south, I expect people to take care of you. East River Bank takes care of you the way a Southern hospitality would. East River Bank makes you feel as comfortable as lying in a feather bed.
To consider East River Bank for your business needs, go to eastriverbank.com, member FDIC.
Welcome to Culinary Conversations. Today we're talking lunch with California Pizza Kitchen's culinary innovator, Brian Sullivan.
On behalf of the Tennessee Association of Vintage Baseball, we'd like to welcome you to an exhibition match between the Knoxville Holstons and the Emmett Machinists of Knoxville. This afternoon we're going to be playing baseball according to the rules of 1864. So you'll notice that we have no gloves. They had not been invented yet. It's not that we don't want them, they're not around.
Masher is the striker. And there were many different styles for them to choose from. And the striker's out.
How'd it feel to be out there on the field there, Haymaker?
It was awesome to be out on a real field. Didn't get a bounce on that ball though. That was different. Usually we get a nice bounce out there. The ball just died.
You made two good plays, but I didn't get them on film. I'm sorry.
At least he didn't fall down.
What, Cannon?
At least he didn't fall down, Rhino.
What says you, Rhino?
He should have been in it.
About the game?
He did. Oh, it was pretty awesome.
You wish you were down there?
Yeah, of course. I wish I could have been if I didn't break my arm.
That's true. Stupid arm. Here's Ryan's stupid arm. Stupid arm.
I'll be holding up my line.
Yeah, encore! All right, that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.